20-year-old Brooke McCroskey is suing her parking tickets for causing her ex-boyfriend to be towed.
How old are you?
6 months, I believe.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm sorry.
What did you give her possession of the car for?
I
And
didn't give her.
How did she get?
I was teaching her how to.
Sit down. Sit down.
Didn't give.
Down.
Yes.
What? Just
yes.
Sit down.
Wow.
Your case is dismissed. You.
He stole my money.
She tried to come at me with goats and all this stuff.
I'm not going to kill myself. He stole me.
Shit.
He killed me.
Dr. Bader, Mr. Fisher was yours. You were under a child support order, Mr. Fisher. And the child support order was for how many children?
Well,
How old is that child?
he turned 800 in January.
So it's $9 a month. So, well,
I had the judge once I began my employment, so
so October, November, December, January, February.
August of 2015.
June, July.
August through the end of my...
I would like you to mark where you want me to read. Don't write anything.
Okay,
And therefore, he was obligated to have this child come out of
that is correct.
his rear. This contract is a contract. I would like you to pay me $3,500. We're done.
Gracie Ann Israel is suing Jennifer Israel and her son Israel for damn pumpkins. Sheesh.
Tell me when this happened.
This happened on 18th around.
Tell me when this happened. You were in your car.
I was in my car going to my fiance's house with my fiance. He was driving, and so we hit our friend's house, pulled over. The front was all up. There was big chunks of pumpkin all up and through the car. There was pumpkin fluid leaking. We called the police right away, and the next morning, the officer gave us a call.
Well, you don't know that.
Well, according
You
to...
have no case. Did the police put the pumpkins in the road?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you cheated? Go to judgejudgey.com.
Ms. Israel, you don't have a case against this young man.
Well, it's my understanding that...
You have no case.
Yes.
Case is dismissed. That's all. Thank you. Your lawsuit is that there was trash in the house. The police caused domestic violence. You went and you found that the whole property looked like a Listen, I find a lot about you
I know who put the trailer back there, yes.
Who did? The Wicked Witch of the North, or like the Good Witch from the East?
No.
At some point, you moved to evict Miss Warburg. First, tell me when, and then I'd like documentation.
That was
to support.
September 12th.
I'm not talking to you yet.
My friend, she'd spent the night at the cemetery. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cemetery.
Great. Hello. Your daughter has a drug problem?
Yes, she does.
Boyfriend too?
Yes, she does. That was my boyfriend, my grandchildren's boyfriend.
1-year-old Megan Sauce is suing her ex-boyfriend, 4-year-old Tyler Nichols, for $20 to buy bedroom tattoos.
Miss Sauce, is that your name?
Yes.
He used your credit card to purchase a new girlfriend.
Writing.
But what?
Yes.
How much was it?
It was 54 cents.
Really? You moved into an apartment, you didn't have any furniture.
Correct. To get
What
out
did she
furniture
say?
for me, but it's covered. So we went to, and she has a machine off the top of my head. No, I don't think it's the heart, like a king.
What? I really have to get my hearing checked. Now, Miss Sauce,
Yes.
when did you and Mr. Nichols break up?
Well, it would have been September.
What?
But I have evidence of him saying that he was me.
Would you show should you show $35, judgment for the plaintiff. We're done.
Erin Kitson is suing her friend, Amy Schwausch, for a loan to bring her back from Afghanistan.
Miss Schwausch, you met me online.
Yes, I did.
Tell me what site you were on.
No.
Yeah.
I met a fish online,
This is Sauce. What the And where do you live?
Nigeria.
And you sent her $7 to this fish who was in the military, you think.
Yes.
For what?
Bartending.
Really? This wasn't even a mate. This was some fish that you never even met. You have to return the money to her. $98,000, get home on your own.